Hey friends, today we're going to be making this beautiful fall centerpiece. I am hosting a dinner tonight, and so I thought it'd be fun to put together something with you guys and show you how I'm setting my table tonight. And I thought I'd also do a set the table series, so be sure to watch that video if you missed it to get a little fall inspiration for you. But I'm hosting a bunch of girls, so I wanted to do a centerpiece that was very feminine, full, lots of color, just bold, and a lot of different greenery varieties. So that's what we have here today. Okay, so to begin, I have this clear square glass, just really cheap centerpiece vessel. I want the centerpiece to be vibrant, to be very fall and loud, so I wanted to keep the base very simple today. It is going on my table for a dinner I'm having tonight, which I will show you in another video how it all comes together. I'm having a little bit of a dinner party with some friends, and it's going to be just very fall. In order to start, what we want to do is we want to always do greenery first, right? If you've been around here a while, you watch my videos, you know that as we build the base, we pile in the greenery, different textures, height levels, lengths, and then from there we add our florals and our accent pieces like I have some privet berry here, some of this Amaranthus, which is this beautiful burgundy texture, and then we'll add our flowers, which today I'm using Lisianthus, I'm using burgundy dahlias, these really stunning garden roses, which are, they just smell divine. The way this turned out. I hope you love it as well. I hope you enjoy it. All of the varieties and flowers and the greenery that I used, I will have listed it below. And everything here is from PETAL Driven. And if you are unfamiliar with PETAL Driven, it is an online wholesaler, free to you. You do not need a wholesale license to order from PETAL Driven. And so many of you have reached out and said thank you so much for this resource. It is awesome. I am linking a coupon code for you below for free shipping as well as 10% off your order. Doing flowers for an event and need a larger order, or a wedding, or just want to try your hand at it, try PETAL Driven. It has been a really great company, and all the flowers are shipped to your door, and I get them, I open them, I trim them, I put them right in water, and they just come alive, and the quality is fantastic. So I can't wait to put it on my table for tonight's girls' dinner.